Assalamu alaikum students. This is Khaja Salahuddin. Today we are going to discuss some definitions related to atom, and that is atomic number and atomic weight. It is also called as mass number. Atomic number can be defined as the number of electrons or the number of protons present in a neutral gaseous atom. Here the term neutral is used in order to explain the number of electrons present in an atom, because the number of electrons vary when the atom takes part in the chemical reaction. The other thing which should be considered in the definition of atomic number is we are going to consider only the number of electrons or the number of protons present in an atom. We can't consider both the terms simultaneously in the given definition. Atomic weight or the mass number can be defined as sum of the number of protons and the number of neutrons present in a given atom. Here we are adding the number of protons and the number of neutrons when we are calculating the mass number, and neglecting the number of electrons, because the mass of electron is very less when compared to that of the mass of a proton. That is, the mass of electron is 1837 times less than the mass of proton. Let us see some examples of atomic number and atomic weight of some atoms. Atomic number of a hydrogen atom is 1, and atomic weight or mass number of hydrogen atom is also 1 because it has 0 neutrons. Atomic number of carbon is 6, and atomic weight or mass number of carbon is 12 because carbon atom has 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. The atomic number of a sodium atom is 11, and atomic weight or mass number of sodium atom is 23 because sodium atom has 11 electrons, 11 protons and 12 neutrons. From these examples, we can come to a conclusion that the atomic number of an atom depends on the number of electrons or the number of protons, whereas the atomic weight or the mass number of an atom depends on the number of protons and the number of neutrons present in an atom. An atom can exist without the presence of neutron, but an atom cannot exist without the presence of a proton. Sometimes the electron can be transferred from one atom to another atom, which we will discuss in the next coming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.